Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Precious Malaji. I trust you guys are living the life that you are happy with. I trust that you're content with where you are. I trust that you're happy with yourself and with everyone around you. Today I will be unboxing my new sewing machine. I really can't believe that I have a sewing machine, me of all people. But you know, things need to get done, and this is something that I've always wanted to do because it's a huge part of my business, you know. And as I said, that when you do not own the production of your business, a lot of things go wrong. So I'll be unboxing this machine. The name of it is Empisal. It's an Empisal. I got it at why should I even mention the name of the company? So I will be unboxing this machine. You know, I like having backstories. So the backstory of this is that the branding sprays. So a lot of things that we personalize is your uniform, your t-shirts and things like that. So I always have to outsource those things. Whenever someone needs a custom-made uniform, a custom-made t-shirt or whatever, I always need to outsource. So the problem with outsourcing is that even though the person is good, the quality is good, but then they are also in business and they're also busy with other things. So it might take time for you to actually get your order. So it causes delays for yourself and for your clients, and then clients are not happy. This is it, guys. I bought the machine. I think I'm gonna need two because I'm currently working on an order. I think I'm gonna enjoy this thing because I'm also into fashion. So I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this machine once I get all the orders out. Yeah, so let's start. So I got this yesterday. So I got this machine. I got it yesterday. It's not expensive. It's not cheap. I think it's gonna be a good investment for my business and for myself. So I plan to buy two of these and see how it goes. So the first thing we have is I think this is definitely a cover. Yeah, this is the machine cover. Probably use it to cover the machine after you use it to prevent dust. And I think one of the advantages that I have is that this is the manual, but you know I'm blank, so I'm probably gonna use this manual when things start getting tough and complicated and whatever. But what I think I've got an advantage because I've got an embroidery machine, so it's almost the same. I should think it's almost the same mechanism. So I think that's an advantage. So that's the manual. It's the Empisal model number 128. So it's a domestic machine, it's not industrial. Okay, this is probably the foot control, whatever speed control. The foot pad. The foot pad. And this is probably obviously the power cable. Got that. And then this is the machine. Okay, this is probably the different stitches that you're able to do on the machine. Yeah, this is the different types of stitching that you can do on the machine. They're probably testing it before if it works or not, and probably this is just proof that it works. There are some small pieces in here. We've got this. Okay, maybe I'm gonna need the manual. I'm definitely gonna need the manual. Let's see. Okay, there it is. Oh, okay. Apparently this is for the buttonhole. This is for the buttonhole if you wanna put in buttons. This is a screwdriver whenever you need to open something. Yeah. Screwdriver. This is spool pin. So spool pin. This is. Okay, I think this is nice. Okay, this is a felt. I think it has to do with holding it holds the thread somehow, because you need to put the thread somehow. I don't know, hope so. This is the dining plate. Yay, precious. Hey, this is a zipper foot. And then I don't know why they didn't give me any bobbins. They're supposed to give me some bobbins. Okay, this is a bobbin holder, probably. Yeah. I don't know how you put in the bobbins here, but okay, these are the needles that you're gonna be using. Obviously, it will depend on the type of material that you are sewing on. Is it hard? Is it soft? Is it whatever? These are for that. Okay, I'm familiar with this thing. I use it so much for my embroidery. This is just to cut, and also you can, when you want to undo something, you use this to undo it. So yeah, I think my experience with an embroidery machine is gonna be of advantage when I finally use this machine. Okay, this is the needle plate screwdriver. And felt again. So that's basically it, guys. This is something new that I'm starting. I had to start it. I had no choice because I currently have an order that I need to fulfill, and I'm not getting anyone to actually produce the things that I want them to produce. They've been changing prices, giving me a runaround. So I don't like that, because I like being in control of anything that affects me. So it's a problem for me if I'm gonna have an order and give it out to someone who's giving me a runaround, where else I don't feel like I have control of it, So at least when you have control, things go as planned. So guys, this is something new that I'm gonna be starting. Hopefully it's gonna bring me a lot of money. Not hopefully, it should bring me a lot of money. So yeah, I'll be updating you guys on how this turns out. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button so that anyone who might find this video useful is able to see it. Also, don't forget to hit the notification button so every time I upload a video, you get to be the first one to watch it. Bye!